السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أبناؤنا في مدرسة عبد الله بن رواح نحييكم ونقدم لكم مراجعات لاختبارات نهاية الفصل الدراسي الأول. نتكلم اليوم إن شاء الله عن reading comprehension، القراءة الاستيعابية. How can I deal with the reading texts in the exam؟ كيف أتعامل مع نصوص القراءة الاستيعابية في الاختبار. But before we start by the reading texts, we have to know or we have to learn the question words. كلمات الاستفهام. We will begin by what. The first one is what which means ماذا أو ما, and we use it to ask about objects. أسأل عن الأشياء. For example, what are you doing yesterday at 5 o'clock? ما الذي كنت تفعله في الأمس عند الساعة 5. Now, we have when, which means متى. We use it to ask about the time. For example, when did you travel to London? متى سافرت إلى لندن? We have where, which means أين. For example, where did you go last week? أين ذهبت الأسبوع الماضي? We have why, لماذا. For example, why did you choose this book? لماذا اخترت هذا الكتاب? We have how, which means كيف. For example, how was your trip to Turkey? كيف كانت رحلتك إلى تركيا? We have who, أستخدم للسؤال عن الشخص العاقل. من الذي قام بالفعل. For example, who did you travel with? مع من سافرت? We have which means أي. Which color do you prefer? أي لون تفضل؟ We have how many, كم عدد. أستخدمها أستفسر عن العدد. For example, how many apples do you need? كم تفاحة تحتاج؟ We have how much, أستخدمها للسؤال عن الكمية، الأشياء الغير معدودة. For example, how much sugar do you want in your cup? كم تحتاج من السكر في فنجانك. Now, go to the reading text. Here we have a reading text. لدينا هنا نص قراءة which is about banana. And then we have 4 questions after it. عندي 4 أسئلة عقبة. That multiple choices. أسئلة من اختيار من متعدد. And we have the 5th question, السؤال الخامس, which is constructed response، أي معنى سؤال مقالي يجب كتابة البحث عن الجواب في النص وكتابته من النص. Now, and of course we have sometimes yes or no question or true or false question, which means that sentence should be read. يجب أن تكون مقروءة من النص وبناء عليه أجاوب بصح أو خطأ على النص نفسه. Now, going back to the text, again this is a text. The first question is, what is the purpose of the text? ما هي غاية النص؟ بمعنى ما الفكرة الرئيسية من النص؟ Here we have 4 choices. عندي 4 اختيارات. To present unhealthy food, to show the cost of healthy food, to explain how plants are grown in India, to talk about common fruit in India. And of course here, what is the purpose of the text? I have to go back to the text. يجب أن أرجع إلى النص and read the topic sentence of the text. أقرأ الجملة المحورية في النص التي توضح الفكرة الرئيسية من النص. غالبا الجملة المحورية في النص تكون موجودة في at the beginning of the text، في بداية النص. Here we have banana is a very much common fruit in India. One of the great things about banana is that it is not only delicious but is also cheap and available throughout the year, unlike the other fruits. Here, of course, in this paragraph should contain the main idea. يجب أن يحتوي هذا النص أو هذه الفقرة على الفكرة الرئيسية. As we have said, Banana is a very much common fruit in India. So the answer here should be to present unhealthy food, to show the cost of a healthy food, to explain how plants are grown in India, or to talk about common fruit in India, and of course this is the correct answer, to talk about common fruit in India. Now, the second question is how can banana be eaten? As we have said, the first question usually talks about the main idea. عادة يتكلم عن الفكرة الرئيسية. Therefore, لذلك, I should look for it in the first paragraph. يجب أن أبحث عنه في بداية في الفقرة الأولى من النص. However, ولكن regarding to the rest of the questions فيما يتعلق بباقي الأسئلة I have to take some words from the question itself and look for it in the text. Here we have, for example, be eaten is, let me consider it as the key words. خلنا نعتبرها الكلمة المفتاحية اللي تدلني على الجواب في النص. Now go back to the text. Be eaten. I have to look for the be eaten. If I scan the text now quickly, I will find be eaten here. Now, be eaten here, I will go to the end of the sentence, which is here. Here is the end of the sentence. So the question, the answer should be here, in this space that I underlined it. في المجال أو في المكان الذي وضعت تحته أنا خط. Now, go back to the question, how can banana be eaten? How can banana be eaten? The answers here, like as a part of salad, as a healthy beverage, or as an ingredient of a vegetable. Now, this is the answer, of course, ingredient of a vegetable. Now, if we go back to the text, to the question, here we have the answer, or here we have the correct answer as an ingredient of a vegetable. Now, as you can see here, banana can be eaten as a whole, etc. to the end of the sentence, ingredient of a vegetable. Now, for the question number 3, why do people prefer banana? Why means لماذا. So if I have لماذا, why, I have to look for because, لأن, أو for, بسبب. Here we have to look for because and for in the text. أبحث عن الكلمة المفتاحية اللي تدلني على جواب why. Here we have four choices. We have because it is unhealthy, because of its low cost, because it's peel بسبب قشورها, because it is planted in winter. Let me go back to the text. نرجع للنص and look for because. Here we have the word because of its low cost. معظم الناس يفضلونها بسبب انخفاض تكاليفها. So I have to answer his because of its low cost is the correct answer. Now for the question number 4, what does banana give you? What does banana give you? Give you. Here is the key word in the question. I have to look for give you. يجب أن أبحث على كلمة give you in the text to find the answer. Go back to the text itself. Here we have as a healthy food. Here we have a question number 5. Who loved banana? Who loved banana? Here we have who. Who is used to ask about human. Sorry, it's about who did the action. من الذي قام أو من الذي يقوم في الفعل. Now, who loved banana? I have to look for loved banana here. If I look in the text, I will see loved by all people. Here is the key words in the question, and here is the answer. So here I have to say all people. I have to write here all people. So banana is a fruit which is still a fruit loved by all people. Now, that was all for the reading text. See you inshallah next lessons. Hope you to get full mark.